Check out this 2007 Buick LaCrosse. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. Save your money. Make less trips to the gas station to fill your gas tank when driving this fuel-efficient vehicle. With a reliable 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Get value, confidence, and protection all in one vehicle with this GM Certified ride. GM Certified means no worries and quality you can count on. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle information. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.